The road in Langtuk Bay village, Hokon Arleng, Nahor Langsu, equipped with a single culvert, had been washed away due to heavy rainfalls on 10 and 11 July. The area was 5 kilometers away from Koilamati. This had blocked the villagers from crossing over to the other end of the road. 4 days had passed since the incident took place, but so far PWD Road Division kept quiet on this issue. The single culvert system embedded on the road connecting Langtuk Bay village for a crossing of water had been washed away due to heavy rainfall on 10 and 11 July. This had added a new challenge to the people of Langtuk Bay village and its adjoining villages. It was reported that the culvert was blemished since a week. But before the repairing could be done, the culvert was destroyed and a portion of the road was washed away.
Kedam tang tilo June chiklo June wita pono adhaan narkepen patun mi nongwe tarik kep anongwe ke bere pontu khakhanyang lo gari motor ta chelengon ide lason lo lapya parta nyadak baida tung se tami kang doi dunang agdom bang pli bang tho lason ke cherap lason se dulo la sila bang so to war fan na tum government sorpen ta bang so to war fan ke mesen atwar na pithegyo fansi tuning ridulo.
The road was the lifeline for 6 villages. It had caused lots of troubles to the villagers. Four days passed since the incident had taken place, yet there is no any step taken from the Borbathar PWD Road Division in repairing the road. This indicates a clear sign of negligence towards their duty by the PWD Road Division. If the reconstruction of the road keep on delaying, it is certain that the ailing patients would be suffering the most. Village headman of Tereng Langso, Singh Rongpi, appeals the concerned authority to fill up the affected areas and to put on at least 3 culverts beneath the road to avoid such type of incident in near future.
Inglonga tawara kasi sakna jok penang anak kisung dolo la silada karbhar long la ke liba khoba karbhar binangi sin ni detum nili ronga sar hen penta choni ri kollo la non konser chari bo matum sar tum gadog ve thege dinga tum do amsta nitum inglonga rar phat ni insora ta sotwar prab jin pen non la sochek lo ma nitum kidam ke bang penang an kasi sak dolo non sitan litum ba sita chwan idalo.
Samson Inktis report from Koilamati for Karbi Anglong Live.